Pin is really a good instructor and guide. She was very funny and always smiling to the guest. Also, the guy who picked us up from the hotel is very kind. He discussed things in the market. Kudos to the team. Highly recommended to try this experience. Smiling face with hearts emoji. Smiling face with hearts emoji. Smiling face with hearts. It was nice Thai they arranged to pick us up and drop us off. We visited a market to buy the produce that we then cook. Chef Pin was there to help and instruct at all time through the cooking process. I highly recommend. AOK hand emoji, half-day course. Pin is an enthusiastic host who shared a lot of information about the Thai ingredients and the way of Thai cooking. We enjoyed seeing the scenery outside the main area. There was so much food made. Overall, this is a fun and delicious learning experience. Baan cooking class in Chiang Mai, Thailand is one of the best activities in Chiang Mai. Included pickup is good. Also there is local market tour, and the whole experience of farm-to-table concept. Enjoyed it a lot. Absolutely worth experiencing. Paint and his team went above and beyond to create an unforgettable experience. From the convenient pickup and drop-off service to the engaging market tour and foraging adventure, every detail was thoughtfully planned. These added elements brought an extra layer of charm to an already exceptional cooking class. Highly recommended. The tour arrangement is comfortable and reasonable. The staff is very friendly and the English introduction is very clear. My 14-year-old daughter can also follow the instructions to complete the dishes. There are also staff who can speak simple Chinese on site to assist. During the process, the staff will help take pictures and airdrop to everyone. They will also share all the recipes of the dishes made that day. The names of all the spices will be introduced in the market. I learned a lot about the differences between Thai spices and Chinese. Ploy is very good at teaching and made all of us feel at ease and comfortable for the whole experience. No time wasted during the whole cooking process. We are glad that we made this choice by spending our last half day having so much fun. The owner is a very gentle Thai lady with a nice voice. She knows a little Chinese. She will contact you in time to confirm the time after placing the order. Then she will call you to remind you on the day, and then arrive at the agreed place 10 minutes in advance. Pickup and drop-off are included. Fill in the dishes you want to make on the car. Our itinerary that day was: hotel, vegetable market, introduction of basic condiments, restaurant, organic farm, parent-child picking vegetables, kitchen cooking, tasting, return. You can go back to the hotel or go to a night market to choose freely. It is a suitable choice for family travel with children and parents. It was a warm and interesting way to spend half a day.